TJ Ortman here at MarineMax Rogers, Minnesota. And here we have our new 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This one is powered by a Mercury 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine with the Alpha 1 outdrive. As you can see on the walkthrough and on the swim platform, we do have the faux sea deck as an added feature. As you come into the boat, you'll see there's lots of room to move around. There's plenty of storage underneath all the seats. It does have a built-in ski locker. And then up on the helm here, you will see the flip-up bolster. And then also our Bluetooth-enabled Fusion radio. And up in the bow, there's plenty more seating with storage underneath all of the cushions. And speakers throughout the boat. If you have any questions, come down and take a look at it. Again, MarineMax here in Rogers. And as always, like this video and subscribe and look at all the new boat videos we have coming out.